Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, as part of our Instant Ace Plus Blender review series, we'll be using the blender to make peanut butter. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 4 cups of roasted unsalted peanuts, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of sugar. We'll start by adding our 4 cups of roasted peanuts, teaspoon of salt, and teaspoon of sugar to the Instant Ace Plus blender. Then, we'll replace the lid. Next, we'll hit the nut butter setting. After choosing our setting, we'll hit start and allow the program to run. The nut butter setting runs for 4 minutes and 45 seconds. As the program runs, the mixture will build up on the sides and may bubble. We'll remove the top portion of the Instant Ace Plus blender and use the tamper tool to push the mixture from the sides of the blender and pop any bubbles that may form while blending. The tamper tool is designed in such a way that it will not hit the blades when used properly. When the program is finished, a series of 10 beeps will occur and the Instant Ace Plus blender will say end. This notifies you that the program is done. When finished, the peanut butter will be pourable. This is because it is still warmed by the heat of the blender. We'll now pour the peanut butter from the blender into a container and allow it to chill and set in the refrigerator overnight. We've allowed the peanut butter to set overnight and it's set nicely. You can see that it's got a nice solid consistency, and we're just going to take this and spread it on some bread. Homemade peanut butter does not contain preservatives nor hydrogenated oils, therefore it will be running at room temperature and may not last as long as store-bought brands. Because of this, I recommend you store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 month. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.